Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to download Figma app on your MacBook. First step is to open any browser on your Mac. Here I am using Google Chrome. After that, click on the search bar and type in Figma download. Now you can see different options here. Make sure that you click on this logo because this is the official website of Figma, and here click on this downloads. Now it will direct you to this page where you can download this app for different operating systems. Now to download this app for macOS, you can click on this desktop app for macOS option. Now the DMG file will be downloaded, and after it is downloaded, simply click on it. Now drag this Figma logo into the application. After that, you can close this box, and here on the app you can see that Figma has been downloaded. So following this simple and easy step, you can now easily download Figma on your Mac. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.